too.
Yeah,
as well.
be sure to watch our ESPA vlog. But yeah, so we're currently on our way to Disney Springs. It's 10:50. We kind of plan to just spend the day there, walk around, shop, then go to our second hotel of this trip, and then go to Yachtman Steakhouse.
Yep.
Later at 7:50, we have a reservation at Disney's Yacht Club Hotel, so we're super excited about that. But yeah, we'll update once we get to Disney Springs.
Alright, we're finally in Disney Springs. It's actually a really nice day today, so we're gonna get some chicken guy.
Yeah, I'm freaking hungry. Like,
Yeah.
I'm like been fiending for this since last night. Hopefully there's not a line. It doesn't look like there's a line.
Yeah, we'll do a little mukbang once we get our food and everything.
I don't know about mukbang, but we'll show
yeah,
our
we'll
food.
we'll show our
before-
food.
Got our food. These are the sauces. We got the brown sugar barbecue and then garlic parm. We got 5-piece chicken tenders, seasoned fries, and then the loaded mac and cheese. So I'm gonna try the mac and cheese for you guys. Get like everything in there, yeah.
I know you had this before, but boy, what do you think? 1 out of 5.
5 out of 5.
Alright, I'm gonna try out the tenders now, and I'll try out the mac and cheese. I got barbecue with it, but there's so many choices for this place, so I didn't know what to choose. I just was basic and chose barbecue. But there we go. It's really good. It's seasoned really well. Alright, now I'm gonna try the mac and cheese. I'm gonna get a little of everything.
Oh, that's steam.
Oh my god.
So guys, the fries are so good. Listen, we like love food. The fries taste just like, it has the same seasoning that the Cajun corn, God, I just spit. The Cajun corn from Wingstop has. If you've had the Cajun corn, it's like the exact seasoning but on fries.
It's so good.
And it's so good.
And they caked up on the seasoning too.
Like, look at that
Yeah.
seasoning. Like. Okay, so I got a drink. Guys, I just spilled it. I didn't even start drinking. I got a drink from Paradiso 37. I think that's how you pronounce it. They're having happy hour. A lot of happy hours here are like at like 3, but this one started at 11. So I got the normal frozen margarita. It's really good. It's
You can't
strong.
be- So we are currently in Arts of Disney, and me and kind of like going to these stores because we can see all the different like arts and everything.
Sorry, I know his face to me. It just is like amazing how.
Yeah, so. Damn! We should play it.
That's amazing.
But I mean, like you can see the variety of different like arts and everything, like different designs and stuff. It's pretty cool. But like these go for a crazy price. I mean, it makes sense though. But it's a cool store to go in and everything. They have like these paintings too. Look, are you paintings? Yeah, they're kind of like paintings, but like they're like signed by like the actual voice actors and everything.
Snow White. Just the place Snow White.
That's pretty cool. What's her? Why is the color like that?
Because it's a 50th anniversary or something.
Okay.
Yeah, 50th anniversary.
What's she drawn?
Okay, so
Yeah.
we just got the Dole Whip Trio like sampler thing. It comes with the typical vanilla and pineapple, This is the lime raspberry.
Raspberry and lime, yeah.
And then this is the like Valentine's chocolate strawberry. I'm the most excited for that one.
And this one's typical.
It's also like really hot here, so it's like melting.
I mean, you can't go wrong with
That could have been really bad. I don't know if you saw what happened. But I don't really want to try this one. So I'm just gonna try the strawberry one because I like love strawberry. So
Strawberry with chocolate.
it tastes like exactly. Like I don't know what strawberry they use, but it's so good.
What is it? Pop rocks on here or
I
something?
don't know. It looks like cranberry. It's good? Oh, you like it?
Berries.
Please try this one. Tell me that doesn't literally taste like a chocolate covered strawberry.
It does.
Like I don't know what strawberry they use, but it's so good.
It's
They
perfect.
redeemed themselves because I think it was like 2 times ago we got the sampler and like we didn't like any of the flavors.
It was like some. It was like pistachio.
It was like pistachio and stuff, but this is like
Oh god.
You may be dead for 1,000 years. What the day.
Alright, so we checked into the hotel and low-key we passed out for like an hour or so, and then Kendall woke up, did her homework, and now we're getting ready to go to Yachtsman at believe it's Boardwalk Yacht Club. So, and that's like at like 7:50. So we're gonna go there. Probably look around, explore Boardwalk because I haven't been there in a while. So yeah.
okay, so we just got our drinks. I'll try mine. I got the passion fruit margarita. I think it's a sugar, hopefully. It looks like sugar.
I think it's
Actually,
salt.
this is the strongest margarita I've ever had.
The espresso martini as well. It's actually really, that's probably one of the best. I'm not even like lying. Like I'm not.
Is it really that
It's actually really good. Not gonna
This
lie.
is really good.
I was just putting an order in of our
Or French onion soup.
So,
So,
but it's pretty like it's pretty classy. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
Because we usually go to
Steakhouse 71.
yeah, and we usually get their French onion soup as well. So we'll see if it matches Steakhouse 71's. But it's pretty classy. It's pretty nice. Okay. Okay, there's second pack.
This is the Himalayan sea salt butter.
It's bread, but that butter is really good.
Okay, so our French onion soup just came. It looks amazing. And I love French onion soup. And the lady said that we will be back here more often than Steakhouse 71 because this is better. So I know it's going to be blazing hot, so be careful.
Yeah, good. That cheese bowl though. It's good. It's really good.
It's really good.
I don't know. I can't honestly tell right now, but
This one's more salty.
yeah, for sure.
And like I like salty, so I
It's sweet.
like it. The way the cheese is melted on this one, I feel like it's different, but I also have to look at pictures and see. But we will get back to you guys once our main course is out.
Alright,
Okay,
so
so we just got it. I really want to try the potatoes because I love the. Ooh, they did it like differently though. I'm not. Oh, they did it like sideways. So
yeah. We'll try the potatoes first.
it's kind of hard to.
Very creamy, for sure. It's really
The
good.
flavor is really good.
And now we'll try the steak as well. Kendall has a little smaller piece, but I'm sure she's already stuffed from the French onion.
Oh, look at that cut though.
Their little cross section.
Okay, here we go, guys.
That cross section. That garlic butter, it's really good.
It's not like overpowering.
It's really good. Alright, so we just got out of Yachtsman and
It was amazing.
Yeah.
I am so full. Like, I literally am like freezing because it's cold here. But it
So-
was amazing.
Yeah, it was really
Like,
good.
So good.
really, really good. Especially, I mean, if it's a little higher price, but
He's like screaming.
yeah, it's definitely a little more pricey. So if you guys are going out for like a date or anything, or like or something crazy, like
Definitely like a special occasion
Yeah.
place. Steakhouse 71 is more like affordable for kind of like just a chill like dinner on the weekend, but this is definitely price point wise like for like a special occasion or something. Like we did this for like our early anniversary dinner, but this is not the place you just go on like a casual like
Yeah,
night
exactly.
or whatever.
But you're currently by the boardwalk, and the boardwalk's across from there. We're debating if we want to walk around and like look at stuff, but so we are actually gonna go to the boardwalk. It's kind of pumping. Like I don't know if you guys know, but like this.
No cover charge.
Oh, no cover. But this is the only club in Disney. But it's pretty cool. But everyone's getting down. I'm sure everyone's drunk and everything, but we're gonna go and try to see and look at the cake place as well. So I'm kind of shocked there's a lot of people down here. But there's like little stores. This guy, what is happening here? There's a little show going on.
But yeah, then Johnny got in the
Yeah, let's see. Oh, it's like a little like jump roping kind of thing.
Okay. Good job, Eddie. Good job.
Yeah, it's boring.
Next time, be better.
I guess the show's over.
I don't think we're even gonna like get in honestly, but it's
Yeah.
worth the shot because sometimes they do like walk-ups and stuff, so we'll see.
Yeah. But it's pretty poppin' right now.
I just read famous margaritas. I don't need another drink.
So we finally made it to the cake place, and the line is horrendous. It's pretty bad, but we can see a little inside from it from this angle. You can see what it looks like from the inside. It's really gorgeous. It's pretty inside. And then you guys, if you want to look at the menu, if you guys ever want to go to this place, that's what it is. It looks like it's like 20 bucks per slice, cake slice. So do what you want with that information, but we're probably not gonna be able to go inside. So we're actually in the club for Disney. It's pumping. It's all like these old heads. But yeah, you're probably gonna stick around, grab some drinks. So these old heads are getting down. Boy, bangers, I'm not gonna lie. Dude, everyone's getting lit. They're getting going to huge centerpiece like this.
Okay guys, so we are leaving the hotel. Last thing we left off on was us at the Disney Club at Boardwalk. I think it's called Atlantic Dance Hall. And I've always heard of it, I've never been. And it's a pretty good vibe in there, honestly. They play a lot of like older like 80s music, but they did play like Lady Gaga, Pitbull. And yeah, the drink line was like massive, but Definitely a cool place. Today's our last day. Unfortunately, we're going home today, but we are going to Grand Floridian for like breakfast / brunch at the Grand Floridian Cafe, and we have a reservation at 11:10. So we're on our way there, and we're gonna like walk around the resort. Grand Floridian's my favorite Disney resort like ever, so I always love going there. And hopefully the wedding pavilion's open. The last couple times I've went, it's been closed. Okay, so we just put our food in, but we got these biscuits, and it comes with a citrus butter. Like, I think the things in here are like orange. So,
It's orange bits, probably.
yeah.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
it's pretty good. Yeah.
I'm not like a big like citrus or orange person, but it's like the perfect amount.
It's not really
It's
like
not
in your face,
overpowering.
yeah. All right, so our food just came in. And came in pretty quickly, honestly. So Kendall got the what'd you get?
I got the grand breakfast. It's
Egg, sausage.
egg, sausage, bacon, and then this like cheesy hash brown.
It looks good. It looks like it looks like a biscuit.
Yes, thank you.
It looks like a little biscuit with hash browns. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And
And
then
then Johnny
I got chicken and waffles with like a honey sriracha on the side. But it looks really good. It's a Mickey waffle too.
Since this is like the most different
Yeah.
thing. Oh my god, look at this. It reminds me of something I've had.
Good.
You would love this.
Really?
I've had something like this before, and it's driving me nuts. Like, I don't remember where I had something like this, but I did.
All right, now I'm gonna try the chicken. I mean, the waffle's a waffle. I'm gonna try the chicken, see how it is. So I'm using a fork and spoon. It's pretty crispy though, for sure. Dip in the sauce. The sauce is real good. The only thing is, the chicken's kind of bland-ish. But
You have
the
to
batter
pour the syrup too with the sauce, I think.
on the chicken,
No, the whole point.
but it's really good though. No lie, after like we ended this game, it took us like maybe less than 10 minutes to devour our food. Like, I'm basically almost done. Kendall's really nothing left. So, really good.
We're inside of Love Pop. It's like the card store. They always have super cool cards, and they have like card bouquets now. They are amazing. Like, look at this Alice one that they have. How freaking cool is this? And then they also have this one for Up. Really depressing, but really cool. The Haunted Mansion one. I'm obsessed with this one. It's so cute. Haunted Mansion's my favorite Disney ride. There's the Beauty and the Beast one. And they have all of these different ones.
The lady sounds cute too.
Yeah, the Lady and the Tramp.
So we just got back to Fort Myers after that 3-hour drive. There was nothing really else to show at Disney Springs. It was just us looking at Uniqlo, seeing some stuff, and then basically just drove back. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. So thanks for watching, guys.